Hi, Braveheart. Welcome to Stretching and Strengthening with Auntie Angel. That's me. I'm also called ZGALA, the Art Angel, and I'm here to do a quick stretch and snack. Actually, not a whole full body stretch as I often do, because I already did that today. And I'm going to do some extra arm stretches. I thought you might like to join me. Make sure you listen to your own body, follow your own lead. Let's get to it. Let's start with some shoulder shrugs just to let go of some stress. Breathing in, shrugging the shoulders up, and then just letting it go. Breathing out through the mouth, breathing in through the nose and holding. Tensing everything up. You can add the fingers and the toes and the face if you want. Holding, breathing in a little more and holding, and then just let those arms swing if you can. Let go of whatever you don't need anymore. You don't have to hang on to all that stress. There's more stress on the way. You also don't have to brush your hair, in case I forgot to mention. You can brush your hair. You just don't have to let go of stress. And breathing in again. Shrugging the shoulders up. Breathing in a little more, holding, and then just letting it go. I'm going to bring this tender arm across the body. Give it a gentle rotation. It's giving me a little talking to today, so I'm going to take it easy with it, but also try to work some of that out. Helps if you can let go of the arm you're stretching and use the other arm to rotate it around. It's a little bit tricky, but give it a try. Also pulling that arm across the body up high, the medium, down lower. Gives it some good stretch variety. Swinging that arm back, give you a nice stretch through the front. Oh, got a little hitch in the giddy up on that arm today. It's a common phenomenon in that arm. Let's do rotating on this side, holding on to the arm with the other arm, going one way and then the other, and then really trying to relax that arm and use the supporting arm to move it around. It's a work in progress. You let me know in the comments, how's that go for you if you're trying that? I find it's more difficult than you might think to relax an arm. Arms are so used to doing stuff. They don't like to let go, but you can let go, arm. It's all right for a minute. Swinging that arm back. Let's go arms up, maybe over to one side. Stretching the side of the body. Over to the other side. Let's do that each side again. Getting a nice stretch on the side of the body. And let's do some little circles with the hands, just checking in with those fingers and wrists. Because they work hard. They deserve a little attention too. Going the other way. I like to remind you there's not one way to check in with your body. It doesn't have to take a long time. It doesn't have to be hard. It can take a long time and it can be hard. And you can brush your hair and put on a special outfit, but you don't have to. And I recommend that you check in with yourself, whether you do or whether you don't, because your body's the one thing you can't live without and you're worth it. So I hope you are taking good care of yourself. I hope you are loving yourself a little bit more. I thank you for being you, and thank you for letting me be me. Thank you for liking and subscribing, because that helps me out a lot. Thank you for staying curious and courageous. And thank you for getting more fit and more free. I'll be seeing you soon. Ciao for now.